Gels are becoming increasingly prevalent due to their ease of formulation and unique sensory properties. Gels are generally aqueous formulations, although non-aqueous gels may be targeted for water-sensitive APIs. Poloxamer gels are a subset of gel formulations with the multifunctionality of the EO-PO polymer, providing gelation, solubilization, and emulsification when small amounts of oil are added to the formulation. Poloxamer gels are also thermoreversible, meaning that an external temperature swing can move the formulation from a liquid to a gel at temperatures above the gel point. This may be advantageous for applications in which gelation or an increase in viscosity at body temperature is targeted. The formation of poloxamer gels does require a minimum concentration of poloxamer in an aqueous system. This concentration is dependent on other formulation components, but is generally a minimum of 18 weight % coliform P407 or Poloxamer 407. Other formulation components, such as salts or alcohols, may influence both the gelation temperature and the gel strength. Once formulation components are determined, the most suitable preparation method must also be determined. A hot process or a cold process preparation may be used to form gels with coliform P407. For the hot process method, preheated water at 70 degrees Celsius is weighed into a beaker. The required quantity of poloxamer is added within 2 minutes into the water. To get a homogeneous solution, the mixture must be stirred for 60 minutes using a magnetic stirrer. As the formulation begins to cool, a robust gel is formed and additional formulation components may be added. The cold process is generally preferred if processing equipment allows for cooling of formulations. The cold process method begins by mixing the poloxamer and pre-cooled water at 5 degrees Celsius. The poloxamer water system is held at 5 degrees Celsius for 24 hours or overnight. Once there is visibly no remaining polymer that is not in solution, the additional formulation components may be added, being mindful to not incorporate excess air as the gel begins to thicken. An example formulation includes coliform P407, water, ethanol, glycerin, and a small amount of polycreme IPM, or isopropyl myristate, to improve the sensory aspects of the formulation. Sensory evaluation is sometimes challenging as it's subjective by nature. One approach to quantifying waxiness or tackiness that we are taking in our lab is using tribology. The tribological attachment is used with a rheometer and vitro skin as the substrate. Once the skin sample has been primed, the instrument measures the coefficient of friction for the sample. This method is best used as a comparative yet quantitative analysis technique. Gel formulations are gaining popularity in the topicals market due to their ease of formulation and their unique sensory properties. At BASF Pharma Solutions, we offer high-quality excipients and a deep understanding of their properties, which allow us to understand their behavior in the final formulation, allowing our customers to create the ideal skin delivery composition for their unique application. BASF, we create chemistry.